Suspicious chicken, number 2. Shot.
Hug!
And slow roasting chicken.
I'm gonna go to sleep. The farmer comes in.
Getting hot in here! Wow!
Slow roasting chicken.
Time for dinner. He's still alive!
Chicken on the computer.
Illegally downloaded films!
He doesn't look so good.
I don't know how to stop it. Help me, Kendrick!